Yeah, I got the bed out of the van again, hopefully for the last time. Some time ago I already made all these Formica panels to be applied on the bed. But as you see, they were all in white. But I decided at the last moment, last week, to do that in the dark brown, blackish color. And making all these new panels again, there was quite a bit of work last week. And now I'm at the point of applying those glue to the bed and trying to finish the bed. Okay, there we go. A little bit difficult. Okay. Now that I have the 3 Formica panels on the side, because on the rear side I don't do that just to save some weight, I'm putting on the strips, Formica strips, on the top of the bed. Okay, it is slightly warm, but prevent any splintering of the Formica, put a block against it. So that works. There's still some touch-up polyurethane. Now for the next phase, I'm going to try to turn the bed around and put it on top of my workspace. Now just a quick sanding. I see some little rust spots. Handling these big sheets is sometimes difficult when you're alone, but somehow I seem to be able to handle it. Well, I'm largely ready with the bed. I still have to do a few things in the van, some touch-ups, some repairs, some additions. some small stuff at least, before I can put the bed in. But to show you more or less what the intention was of this indentation, it's a little bit complicated because it has to do with the desk as well. But in this case, I'll make a small oil painting here of a Mondrian with some bright primary colors, some yellows and blues and reds, as a contrast to the white interior. This is below the surface, and then in the end there will be a desk here at this level. There will be some lower cabinets here. That desk will be folded up against the bed when the bed comes down. When that desk is folded down, it'll have another drawing on top of it. So there will be a lot of artistic input, but that'll be for next time. See you next week. Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe, or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.